Hi guys, how you doing? I don't know if like me you've had a problem with your MR2, the roof rattling. I've just adjusted the clips. I'm just going to show you how to do it and what I used. So using 10mm spanner, open her up so you can get access to this bolt here. So if you there's a plastic cover behind it, just flip that down. Make sure you just tuck your fingers behind, flip down, and then with your 10mm spanner, get in it, and then turn it anti-clockwise so it goes tight. I did do it the other way at first, it was still rattling, so it's got to be anti-clockwise. Do that for all 4 clips, and then hopefully that should secure it and stop the rattling. So obviously you've got two at the front, and then you got your rear ones, which you can't see that side because of the poor lighting. I could just make out that side. So yeah, tighten all 4 up, and then fingers crossed that'll stop the roof rattling. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers.